Prospective client call. The will was changed. Then we proceeded to talk and have a discussion about what awareness do you have of the will? Where is the will? Has the will been produced? What do you mean the will was changed? And really, the circumstances are that an older relative, let's use grandfather, had a will. Grandfather was a widow and had 2 children. The belief by one of the children is that a house and property and some assets were going to be divided into 50-50. And in fact, and this person passed away in the last 2 months. 3 years ago, the property was transferred from the deceased person. They were alive at the time, right? They just passed away now, but 3 years ago, the property was transferred from that person to one of the children, not the person that called me. And that property was then transferred to someone else. So there were 2 transfers. Well, the will wasn't changed, but the actions of the testator, the decedent, the person that made the will, the actions of that person frustrated the will. It defeated the will because they didn't own the house at the time of their passing. So if I say I own a property 123 Main Street and I'm going to give it to Jane Doe, so in the event that I pass away, 123 Main Street goes to Jane Doe. Now, if during my life I sell 123 Main Street, there is no 123 Main Street to give to Jane Doe. So what I did was I frustrated the will. I defeated the purpose of the will, and Jane Doe is out in the cold. So is there a will to be presented? Is there a potential litigation? Well, we need better facts. We need more information, and we need better facts. Was the grandfather deluded? Did he have a capacity to transfer the property? Did he transfer for market value? Did he transfer the property relying on his child to take certain steps? These are all circumstances we don't know, but this is probably not a surrogate's court case because there is no asset, at least this given asset, the property, that asset has not been in the person's name for 3 years. Could be a Supreme Court case, could be a constructive trust, could be a litigation. Maybe we file something to set aside the deed. There are potentially things we could do. We need better facts. This is a call I received today, and I'm presenting that information now. But a lot of people, they start the call with one frame of reference. Oh, the will was changed. In this case, the will was not changed. The circumstances that surrounded the will changed.